Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being here on our channel, Realize Guyana. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you'll get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Today we're going to be we're just going to be cooking some stuff. A friend has her husband's birthday is today, so she's giving him a surprise party and asked us to cook some stuff for her. So what she asked us to cook is some fried rice and chow mein. We're going to be cooking 2 packs of chow mein, 3 cups of rice. So that's all the stuff we have here. You guys, we have the recipes. I'll be linking the recipes to the fried rice, the chow mein. So as usual with a big cooking like this, you want to prep your seasonings first. So we're going to prep the shallot, the scallions, the celery, and the boar and so on. So as you guys know, chow mein and fried rice is a must at any Guyanese function. If you don't have fried rice and chow mein, there's not a Guyanese thing, right? So those shallot heads, we're gonna plant them back. So this is the broadleaf thyme or pudina. So for your fried rice and chow mein, you need nice crunchy young boar like this. So we have 2 big chicken breasts, as you can see. So that's the size we're cooking it. So we're getting ready some seasoning, some garlic and so on to season our chicken breast, which we've already cut up here. So in here we have the garlic, the broadleaf thyme or the pudina, and the pepper. So our chicken is already washed and we're gonna season this now. We're adding some salt to this. Some black pepper. And some chicken seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. Chinese sauce. Answer it. And now we're gonna add the stuff that we pounded in the mortar. So now you gotta mix that in well, guys. You wanna make sure all your seasonings is mixed into your chicken. Your chicken, every piece of chicken is coated. And you can let this sit for about 20 minutes or so if you have the time. If not, it's fine. So guys, this is everything. We have everything prepared now for the fried rice and the chow mein. So we have the bora, we have the celery, the scallions, the onions, pepper. We have our mixed vegetable, that's the chicken. And that's about it that we're going to be needing to prepare for the fried rice and the chow mein. And this is a 50th birthday, so big celebration. So we've added some oil to start cooking our fried rice. So we added the onion and the garlic that we pounded. And now we're going to add our washed rice. So we are doing the rice in 2 separate batches because you know it's a lot. 3 cups of rice. And that's some fried rice seasoning, as you can see. We can add some spice powder. Some casrip. Cassava casrip. Salt taste. So our rice has fried up for a little bit, and we're going to add some water. We'll heat the water. So we are adding hot water. So our rice is done now, guys. So it's 2-to-1 ratio. So that's the rice there now. This is done. So we're gonna continue. So for big things, you gotta have big basin. So we're gonna throw this here now, and we're gonna go cook the other set in this big blue basin we have here. So your water getting hot for the chow mein, guys. And in the meantime, we finished both sets of the rice. We did 2 cups at the beginning and 1.5 cup after. So on this right side, let me see if I can do this with right. So this side, if you can see, it's cooling out. So this side is the first set. This side you can no, actually that's wrong. This side is the first set. So you can see this side is loose, it's drying more, and this side is now drying. So this side is not as loose. See? So you have to air it out. So this is getting dry and loose. So water is hot. We're gonna add our chow mein now. Champion chow mein. Adding some salt. Our chow mein is done. Time to strain now. So you see the size of this karahi here? We have to bring out the big guns for the big action. Not take over half of the stove. Adding some oil now to our big karahi. You see? Not take over nearly the whole stove. Adding onions now. So here's our chicken that we seasoned, and actually it got to sit here for a good while, so it's even better. Gonna taste more nice. So we're gonna use half of that chicken into our fried rice now, and half gonna go into the chow mein. Now let this get a little color. So our onion has got a bit color, and we're gonna add our chicken now. That's about half. Adding a bit of salt. So we're gonna add our bora now. So the chicken breast won't take long to cook. It's just breast, no bones or anything in there. And our mixed vegetables. So this chicken breast don't take long, as I said, to cook, guys. So we have cooked this like top 5 minutes. So we're gonna add some scallions, half scallions. And the celery. It's time to add the rice. So when you got big wok, you need 2 spoons. See that? Alright, so that's it for the fried rice. We gotta move on to the chow mein now. Adding some oil for our chow mein now. Oil is hot, so we're gonna add our onion to begin with. So we have fried up the onions a bit, so you got a bit of color. So we're gonna add our chicken now, the other half of the chicken. We're adding some Chinese sauce. So it turns out this is way too much chow mein to turn properly in here. So we're gonna dump this in the basin and mix it in there. Lots of room in the basin. So seeing all this food here, guys, I get hungry already. I might go over to this birthday party myself. Chow mein looking good there, you can see as usual. Yummy. So that's the chow mein season we just added there. So guys, we are finally done, and here is our finished product, the fried rice, the chow mein. This is our contribution to Navindra's 50th birthday. Happy birthday to you. I want to say happy birthday to Navindra. Hope you have a happy birthday. Best wishes for happiness, health, prosperity, long life, and be safe. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. All the recipes for these dishes that we cooked here is on our channel. I'll link them below. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. Click on the bell icon too so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.